Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into how you can leverage project templates on teamwork.com. This incredible feature can save you heaps of time and effort on project setup, so let's get started. First up, log into your teamwork.com account. You'll want to head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Templates. The reason we do this is to access the pre-made project templates that teamwork.com generously provides. Now that we're in the Templates section, you'll see a list of available project templates. The beauty of these templates is that they're designed to cater to various project types, from marketing campaigns to software development. Click on the template that best fits your project needs. After selecting your desired template, you'll notice a preview on the right side. This gives you an insight into what the template includes, like task lists, tasks, and milestones. Take a moment to review this, as it'll provide you with a clear idea of how the template can streamline your project setup. Next up, click on the Use Template button at the top right corner. You'll be redirected to a new project creation page. This is where the magic happens. The template you chose will automatically populate the project fields, eliminating the repetitive task of manually entering project details. Once your project fields are populated, you can customize it to fit your project's specific needs. The beauty of these templates is their flexibility. They're not set in stone. You can add, edit, or remove any field. This helps us because it ensures our project setup is tailored to our unique requirements. After you've made your adjustments, click Create Project. Voila! You've just created a new project using a template on teamwork.com. This process not only saves you time, but also ensures that your project setup is consistent and comprehensive. There you have it, a simple and efficient way to use project templates on teamwork.com. Remember, the key here is to streamline the setup process and maintain consistency across your projects. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.